You know, we are independent. We're not supposed to be doing handout. So if you have to give, you don't have to, make it, just give that quietly, man. Give that quietly. Help the people who are in distress preserve their dignity. And the people who are in distress, remember your dignity.
A few moments later.
Me a move out. I move out. It's all different things.
The baby.
Different house.
And as you're trying to, we have tarpaulins and temporary housing kits. So we have
Yeah, man.
3, 4, 5.
I'm 16 years.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
When you don't know Media Fox, yeah man, you know what thing said. Jano, Mr. Prime Minister, Jano, may I tell you brother, I don't know what fly in your head brother, but I feel like if you just do your job bro, and just load the social media, stop watching people do brother. You understand about people? I'm going to play the clip and break it down.
Of persons giving out packages. And it is becoming almost the in thing now on social media. Everybody is giving out a package. No, I think in the initial days it's necessary. But I'm also very concerned about the dignity of our people. I don't like my country to be shown as people running to get food, running to get fighting over package and those kinds. I don't like that. And it creates a kind of mentality that is not Jamaican. We are independent people at heart. We are independent. We're not supposed to be doing handout. Now, yes, we are in a place where we need to do relief, but we must never give up our dignity.
Mr. Prime Minister, I can't believe you make such a statement. You have to say about handouts. Yes, I understand. But the some of the people them kind of rush and fight to get the food, and yeah, that's not right. But when you go say the handouts thing and dignity thing, I don't understand. What you mean? At desperate time and measures right now, people hungry, people not eat for 3 days. Maybe if you did in the situation, then you would understand. But no, you're a prime minister, you have your money, you have your business. Hungry and a boy. You understand? I don't think you even know how hungry stay or how hungry feel for all these years. So I understand. But people out there giving back. Right? Giving back to the people them. You know what I say? You should have, what you should have do? You should have thank. You say if me was you, would have followed out and say, look here. I see a lot of people giving out care packages, and I want to thank everyone as we as people helping our own people together. Would I congratulate them, right? Because right now them helping without your assist, right? Basically like them a buy them own gas in a car, everything. They must spend them money for clear things. Some people seeing who are carried on through suitcase and all of them little thing there. They must spend them own hard in money, gas, everything. They must buy water, they must buy food for carry down. Yeah, they must do them thing, right? So at this moment, if I were you, would say, yo, thanks for that, because that kind of ease up a little, pressure. Because at the moment things are go slow, and we understand it's a process. So would I thank them? But the dignity thing, come on, man. No dignity thing can't work in a this time. Yeah. You have people out there who are swimming in water for 3 days. House flood out, them drain. Them not enough food, nothing. You have to understand a hunger. Yeah, man.
So if you have to give, you don't have to, make it, just give that quietly, man. Give that quietly. Help the people who are in distress preserve their dignity. And the people who are in distress, remember your dignity.
Yo, I can't be saying man talk like this, The man say help, but basically in a video, keep that Alright, Mr. Andrew. Look here. Come here, gonna make you remember something. Mr. Andrew, look at this picture. Cause some of the time I have to do shit, man. Look at this picture. Mr. Andrew. What you are doing here, so is a great job. You're giving back to people who in need of a house, right? Remember, you could have given the house and just stay home and somebody else cut the ribbon, right? But you're there to show. Remember, these are all posts on your social media page, right? So you right here cutting ribbon, picturing. So when you are tell the people them say, yo, you not have video, you not have show all. These are things that motivate people to help out. Imagine the big crisis going on in Jamaica. Nobody no video. Nobody no do nothing. People would wonder what really are going. When you show these people house damage and every little thing, there are going to be people out there with concern and caring and say, oh look, me I gotta help out. Right? Remember, you right here, you're cutting a ribbon because you just give somebody who in need of a house. What you're trying to do here, remember, say you have a program, a housing program where you maybe get like donations who help, who contribute so you can build these houses, right? So you right here showing that. Suppose somebody can come and tell you, say, yo, the ribbon thing, you're not for dead. How you would have feel? Right? What you're doing is a good thing with the house program thing. But you're right here taking picture and all these things. I may have a next clip because it's like you forgot. So look at these people.
Oh Lord.
So me go do. Me a move out. I have to move out. Different house, get different things. Okay.
Baby.
Different house.
Oh, that's you're trying. So we have tarpaulins and temporary housing kits, so we have them sent over as quickly as possible. Which are now clear, so that the supplies will come in.
Yeah, man.
3, 4, 5.
I'm 16 years.
So, Mr. Prime Minister, this was when the hurricane just happened, right? And you forward down, you have your workers with the care package giving, you're showing the houses, blowing away everything, right? And you're the same one coming out, say, people don't have to show on camera and all these things while you doing it. There are a lot of things you post, right? Don't this look good to you? Or maybe true what the people them do because you not involved in it, you feel some type of way. But you, when it comes to you now, you can video it and put it out there so people see what you are do. But you don't want people post to see what they are doing, right? And that's the problem. Seeing? That's the problem. You cannot do things. You cannot do things and I tell people say, yo, them not to do it while you doing it. Showing people that look here, the people in Jamaica need help. We have to show them. We cannot come and say, yo, people house. We can sit down on a balcony, nice view and everything, beachfront, everything, right? And sit there and say people need help in Jamaica and not showing them. Sometimes people have to sit things to believe and help. Suppose everybody in Jamaica now did follow what you say, yo, you know what, you don't have to show certain things or show. You know much people got help by people posting and showing all these things? A lot. Right? You know much foreigners fly down and video these things and them friend of foreign ship down barrel and send money and for deal with even contribute to their foundations. Right? So you doing the same thing, but you're trying to say people now if you do it, them can just. No, brother. You can't say that. It is helping out the people. I understand, say, look here, on the thing I do with a process, yeah, and it kind of move a little slow. Can't say it in a parliament, right? So understand that. But don't try say the people them nothing a video or, the handy handout thing. No. No, the people them need food, all these things. You have to understand that. Remember, you know, the people are help people while Uno are doing a job for serve the people. Mr. Andrew, imagine nobody was helping. Picture this, no artists, no regular people was helping, and the job leave for you all alone. What you think would happen? What you think would happen? Right? If I was in your shoes, I would be thanking these people. May I tell you that? I would have thanked them. If me know say, yo, how the system work, it'll take a while, I would thank them. But me no know, it's like, you know, it's like you know want people do things without your input or what, I don't know. You understand?
Son, we are independent people at heart. But, you know, make it, you know, just keep that quietly, man. Keep that quietly. Help the people who are in distress preserve their dignity. And the people who are in distress, remember your dignity. So, which is why I announced a week ago that we are going to transition from giving out of packages, because it's becoming highly political. Who never get, and if you go to a man's place and then him say, oh, you never called me to go give package with you, and you only give to that. Look, the amount of, you know, the funny thing is this, the amount of JLP people who call me to say, PMP, MPs get package and don't come to them. And I said, look, I don't want a political issue. Don't bother make no noise over that. Don't make no noise over that. Right?
But you know what the worst thing? Well, you say a good point, you know, but it's all around political. You make a good point to them, say, yo, don't mind that, right? But it goes for your side too. You're going to have PNP people who say, yo, JLP, MP, no give them anything. It's all on both sides. I just human, political, dieted. I just saw the thing go, right? But what you do is a good point. You tell them, say, yo, don't watch that. Yeah, and I just saw the thing go. Yeah.
It is disgusting that persons would want to make political issues over the distribution of aid. We have to bring an end to it then. Because some people can't help themselves. They can't resist it. And so we are going to shift from the distribution of food packages.
But you know what the worst thing? The worst thing is that, you know, it's just so political things are always going to do it. I remember when Warmington found out and him say, yo, him no PNP MP can't spend him money. Right? So it's all around. It's just a balance. Like, you gotta have people that say, yo, I go call, basically when him just say, people are calling him and I say, PNP MP nah give them nothing. And you gotta have the same thing on the PNP side. I say, yo, JLP LP nah give them anything. You understand? I just saw that's one of them things there, man.
To giving persons coupons or cards that they can go and buy the stuff that they need. Now shops are not up yet. And that is why early in the day we said we're going to help the shops stand up back. And for shops to get back up on their feet, they need electricity. There are some communities that are not going to get electricity right away. So what they will get, we will loan them a generator so that when they get back electricity, we can take that back and give it to another shop. That is how you save money, because what we're going to do here is not from the generators that are donated. The government of Jamaica will buy these generators. So it's taxpayers' money. And we have to use it in the most efficient ways. We couldn't take donated generators and give it to business to use. No, donated generators either support government resilience or we give that to NGOs or churches or so. But the ones that we purchase though, we use that in business for people who are going to make profit from it. And they will have the option after it. If they want to buy it, then they can buy it. If not, then we give it to somebody else to use. Because we're a thing.
You know, say, people, when you hear Miss Prime Minister, the man say you would want to save money. But I don't understand that situation there. Brother, you say the donated ones, right? You now go give the business people them, right? You are go buy. Remember, you know, you say you're saving, right? You are go buy the generator, give them people that the business people them. Seeing? Because them are go benefit off of it. right? And then you're going to take the donated ones and give to the government whatsoever. People them, your people them government. You know, you're going to give them the donations, you know. Where for the people them, you're going to give them that. So, Mr. Andrew, then after that, you say, if these are the one, you know, people want to listen to what man just say. Him say, the one them where him a go buy, him a give to the business, right? And then, them can, if them want buy it, them buy it. That nah make no sense, brother. You just say you try save money. You go buy that. It's basically you sell them it. So you waste the money. So why you, alright, this is the thing. You say you're helping the business, right? Why don't you take the donated ones, right? And give to the shop. And then now, when light come back, you take back that. Why you couldn't just do that? Why you go buy more? That now make no sense. Taxpayers' money. You go buy more. The business. Cause remember, you know, when you give them that, you know, you not give them for take. But when you buy them and give them, and them have to go buy gas feed. And them have to go buy gas. Right? So when you say you have to save money, I don't see that scenario the way you make now save the money. Because if they say how much them say generator, say about 400 or how much generator get for donate. You say you go give some church or some government entities or something, right? So basically them they're free. So you're gonna give them people the people them with the shop and the business them, right? You say you're gonna help them. But when you end up and go say if them want buy it and them, so that means that them are gonna buy it from you. That nah add up. It's basically you take the taxpayers' money, buy the generators, and then as if say the 10 people them want it. Basically I take taxpayers' money, buy the generator, and I sell them when there are free ones. What you should have do, if you say you help the people them, right? The one them will donate, you can give them that for now, right? Give them that for now. When light come back, cause I don't like say light are gonna take long for come back like all 2 years and so. Give them that one there, the donated one, make them use it. When light come back, you take back that and you just circulate it. Why you go buy generator again? Right? Forgive them and then after, if them want buy it. That nah make no sense. It's like you take the taxpayers' money and buy a generator for sell back. When they are donated free generators where you could have just use it, help the business, and when light come back, you just take back them there. Right? If I saw, yeah, can we understand say yo, we can them they can take back and who want help can use it. Or them for the future past if anything happen, them can just use back them same for next hurricane come, you can do the same procedure with the donated ones. Right? Yeah. Because we can't give everybody everything. See, in some are go left out. So I understand in other scenario the way you can give them and when light come back, because when light come back, them now gonna need the generators. So I understand with that. It's a long serving thing. But when you go say yo, you go spend money for buy generator, for give the business people them, and then if them want to buy it, or that not make no sense, brother. Nah make no sense. You see it? If I saw you say that solution for save money, that not save no money. That nah save no money, brother. Nah save no money. May I tell you?
Thinking government, the unthinking people who are selfish and just looking for benefits for themselves, they will think another way. And those are the people who got Jamaica into problems. It is that kind of thinking that put Jamaica into problems. It is my kind of thinking that has taken Jamaica out of problems. And it is one thing that you will see about me.
Yes, that's Mr. Prime Minister, you know. People, as the Prime Minister say, when you not donate or give anybody nothing, just don't video. Just donate. Don't do anything. Just donate. The people them who love handouts and them look at something there, yeah, you can just dead for hungry. Yeah, just always remember this. Dignity. Yeah, man, all when you're hungry and have 5 pitney, you're not on a roof over your head. Yeah, dignity. Don't ask for no help. Yeah, be independent, because I don't know. I never know say the Mr. Prime Minister would have found out and even at this time even have mentioned them somewhere. You shouldn't just thank the people them, brother. You do what you have to do. But certain little argument, brother, you go forward out and make them things. It now make no sense, bro, cause you gotta say the people them. I understand say yo, when the people them out there giving and helping, it be more pressure reach, okay? You have people that say, yo, them now do not know people them. I won't understand that, but just focus on the work, brother. That's all me have to say. Just focus on the work, Mr. Prime Minister. Zane, you gotta take a process, yeah. But the back and forth coming out thing and nah, because at the end of the day, when you help people, you video it, you post it up on your Instagram page. Nobody cuss. Them say, yo, you do a good job. So the same thing if people are do them something that they must help out and people are say, well, go on. Yes, how people donate to your charity or thing. Them see what you do and them say, alright, we are gonna help. You know, you have to show, remember, you know, you have to show these things, you show these things by your social media pages, them. You understand? So people out there are gonna show things. So whatever people want to do, feed them decision. If they want video and show it, it's good. People have to see what's going on. I don't know, maybe you don't want nobody see what go on because, you know, pressure is on right now. But people, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself.